proceed. Okay, we have example number 6 now for a while. Okay, example number 6. For example number 6 is you could somehow replace a particular value or access output string arguments by name. So we have here a variable called name that accepts input for the name. Same as with grades, with accepts input of grades, and then print student name. So we're going to display here first name, and then we're going to have here percentage. But if you notice, since we will be displaying the value of the variables, we don't have a first name and we don't also have the percentage. But you could use a format like this wherein we could assign the value of name which we had inputted to the first name text here. Same goes with the grade, which will be stored in the percentage values. Okay, so the output here is like this. Let's run our code. Where we're going to ask for the name. Let's say Haji, and then the grade is 90. There you're going to see the output. Okay, instead of displaying 0 or 1, you could use also a variable to, or you could assign a variable and then represent that values here. Okay, that's example number 5. Let's now go to example number 6. Let's copy this one. Have 6 already. I hope we have 6 already there. Okay. Oh, not 6. This is supposed to be 6. And then we are now at example number 7. Okay, there. For the 7th example, what we have here is also a string format that allows us to specify the width of the text. So we'll be entering here a text, and then we're going to show the alignment of the text. This one here is our left alignment. This one here is our right alignment, and then this is our center. So here's the output for this example number 7. So I entered here already the text Haji. So what it does is this section here set it as a left alignment, while this one here is our right alignment, and then this one here prints out the prints it in the center. Okay, so this is about 25 spaces. Okay, now it will determine as the format. So if you use here less than, that will align it to the left. Greater than will align it to the center, not to the right rather. If you use your caret or exponential value, something like that, we will be displaying it within the center. Okay, so that's example number 7. Let's now go to example number 8. 8. Okay. Let's move it here to this line. Now, example number 8 specifies whether how do we display positive or negative numbers. In order for us to do that, we just need to use here the plus sign, okay, that would indicate that the number is positive or negative. Okay, so we have here plus F, then plus F, that would indicate the number is positive or the number is negative. Okay, let's run our code. Enter a positive number 90, enter a negative number negative 90. So as you can see here, it automatically displays the values here. Now, the plus sign is for both positive and negative numbers, okay? But when we go to the output here, since we have inputted already a negative number, it will display negative, while they also have this one here will also display as a negative value, okay? So that's example number 8. Let's go for example number 9. So this video is kind of bit long, but we were able to cover up all the details. For example number 9, it simply displays what type of values that we have. Let's say we want to enter a number here, and if you want to display it in decimal, octal, binary, hexadecimal, and also here X is also in hexadecimal format, you could use the following commands or formats. We have here colon D, colon O. Okay, if you want to specify it in this format, you just have your 0 colon O, 0 colon B for binary, 0 colon X, that is for hexadecimal. Same goes with 0 colon X, also outputs D in hexadecimal format. So if we run our code here and we input the number 65, enter, these are the equivalent values in octal, binary, hexadecimal output. Okay, so just in case you'll be needing to display hexadecimal numbers, you could perform that in Python. Okay, let's now go to example number 10. Okay, okay, we have two more here. Okay, one more. For example number 10, what we have here is you're going to ask the user to input a float number, and then it will display what type of data will be formatted. Okay, this one here displays the float value. This one here will be having some padding, 5 and then 2 decimal places. This will be for the exponential value, and this will be to display the exponential value with a capital uppercase E. Okay, if we run our code, let's enter a float number. Okay, so this is the float values. This is the original value. Second is with padding, meaning that you could display all the values here, 5, 2, and 2 here represent 2 decimal places. This one here is for our exponent with lower e or small case e. Okay, and this one also is in capital values. Okay, uppercase. Okay, so it will count the number of values here that will be +6 and also +6. For example number 11, let's copy this. Okay, I think I need to wait where we are. Okay, we have sorry guys, this is 11 already. Okay, need to remove this section here. Then I need to add another one. 1, 2, 3 there. Okay, I think that is okay. Alright, let us okay. For example number 11, what we have here is just string output justification, displaying the text here. So for example, we will display here in left justify by using here text.ljust. This is right justify, and then this one here center. The asterisk here are items that will be printed out also. Okay, so if you run our code here, enter a string, let's say Haji. The asterisk there are somewhat replicates or repeats itself. So we have here the left justification, the right justification, and also the center. Okay, so these are different functions that you could integrate when you use the input and print function in Python. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.